Hello everyone, I am Anamika and today I am here with a new chapter, that is chapter 8, reproduction in animals. In the that means class 7 you have read about the reproduction in plants. So before starting the chapter, first you may know that what is life process. Actually, the various basic functions performed by the living beings to sustain themselves are called life process. Actually, as we know that biology, that is the study of the living things, and there is the basic difference between living and non-living things. So various life process that occurs inside the body of the living organisms, which is essential for their survival. That means without this process, life can't be imagined, like respiration, digestion, that means nutrition, that is important, circulation, reproduction, excretion, metabolism, like anabolism, catabolism, which maintain the homeostasis, that means the balance. So let's see that the various life process which happens inside the body of the living organisms. First is respiration, next is regulation, reproduction, excretion, growth, nutrition, transport, and synthesis. So these are the various life process, which is that means happening in the body of the every living organisms. All we know that respiration is very important. First essential thing for survival, that is air. Regulation, our that means blood maintains the temperature, the right temperature of our body. Reproduction, that is also important, because that means by reproduction the number of species that is maintained on the earth surface, that means population of the species that is maintained, it is also important for the continuation of life. Next is excretion, that means the various waste product that manufacture in our body, it is also important to remove them, otherwise it may becomes poison. Next is growth, that means living things can grow, so it is also very important, and growth mainly depends upon the nutrition. So nutrition, that is also important, because by food we obtain the energy for performing the various activities. So balanced diet, proper nutrition is important. Transport, in transportation mainly the circulatory system, which plays a very important role through blood. It supplies the oxygen, nutrients and water to each and every cells. And synthesis of the new product, that is happening inside the body by the process of the metabolism. So these are the important life process which happening inside the body of the all organisms. But among these process, some are vital process. Vital, that means without which organisms can't survive, like respiration, circulation, nutrition, excretion. So these are the vital process. But the reproduction, that is not a vital process, that means without reproduction can't any organisms can die. So now let's see what is reproduction. It is made up of two words, re, that means again, and production, that means to produce. So reproduction, that is a life process, biological process in which all living beings, either they are plants, animals, human beings, they produce their young ones or offsprings of their own kind. So that means every organisms, they produce their young ones of their own kind. Now let's see that what are the importance of reproduction. Reproduction helps in maintaining the number of species, that means on the earth surface. It also helps in organisms from becoming extinct, if that means number will be not maintained, that in coming future they will be extinct. It ensures the continuity of the similar kinds of the individuals. It is essential in creating variation. It also helps in studying about the evolution, which is mainly that means based upon the variation changes. Evolution, that means because of the genetic variation, organisms, the new organisms can easily adapt themselves according to their environment, which helps in evolution. Next topic is modes of reproduction, or you can say the methods of reproduction, types of reproduction. So generally two modes of reproduction are there, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In our next video, we will read about the types of the reproduction and the differences between them. Okay, thank you student. I think whatever the topic that I have discussed, that should be clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching.